Hi YouTube! We're building yet another marble run. I don't know why we keep making these, but basically we're building a marble run. Where are you in my video? I've held this guy in my basement for way too long now.
We're doing a sequel to a video I did about a month ago where he came over to my house.
Yeah, we built like a marble run. We held a marble race. It's a really good video. Go check it out.
Please let me out.
Staying in the basement. Okay, anyways, so we're basically making another marble run, but this time out of household objects. Anyways, on to building! So, basically, I'm gonna have the marble go from where my foot is to this railing, then go down the stairs.
Why did it have to be on the 15th floor?
This is the second. And it's gonna go down the stairs and do some weird stuff. On with building! We just finished the marble run, and it's looking better than ever.
And to be honest, you guys didn't see it because the time lapse is like 30 seconds long, but in reality it took us multiple hours.
But we're super proud of this. Let's go showcase.
After multiple hours of setup, it is finally time to test the track. Let's see how it goes.
And that's the run. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really hope you enjoyed our marble run. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.